Hey, just scan this QR code right here. I'll wait.
Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you.
You're welcome. Let's get started. Hello, and welcome to another Cybersecurity 101. I'm Mark Hemingway, Creative Content Director here at Archer Energy Solutions. Let's talk about something you probably scanned this week, a QR code. Maybe it was to view a menu, check into an event, or even pay for parking. But here's the catch, not all QR codes are what they seem, and in today's episode we're diving into a rising cyber threat known as Quishing, short for QR code phishing. Quishing is when cybercriminals use malicious QR codes to trick you into visiting fake websites, downloading malware, or handing over sensitive information, because QR codes are just shortcuts, like fancy links. When you scan one, your phone doesn't know if it's safe. It just follows the link. Hackers love this because it bypasses traditional email filters and exploits one big assumption, that QR codes are harmless. So how does it work? Here are a few real-world examples. You get a parking ticket with a QR code to pay online, but it takes you to a spoof site that steals your credit card info. A scammer prints a fake QR sticker and slaps them all over restaurant menus and payment kiosks. Or you receive an email with a QR code instead of a suspicious link, hoping you'll scan it with your phone and drop your guard. Once you scan it, the website may look identical to the real login page and ask you to verify or update credentials or even install malware that runs in the background, and all you did was scan a square. Here's why this scam works so well. QR codes hide the destination. You don't see the URL until after you scan. People scan QR codes without thinking. There's a level of trust built in. Phones often auto-open the site without a second check. We've been trained to believe QR codes mean convenient and safe. Hackers are taking full advantage of that trust. Now for the important part, how to protect yourself from QR code scams. Look before you scan. If the code is on a sticker, check if it's been placed over something else. Preview the URL. Most phones let you see the link before opening it. Don't recognize it? Don't tap it. Watch out for urgency. Messages like "your account is locked" or "pay now to avoid fees" are big red flags. Never log into anything sensitive after scanning a QR code. Go to the official site manually instead. Use built-in scanners from trusted apps. Some security apps offer safer scanning. And if you're a business using QR codes, make sure they can't be easily swapped out or tampered with. QR codes aren't going anywhere, and neither are the scams that come with them. But now that you know what Quishing is, you can spot the tricks before you fall for them. Remember, if a QR code is asking for personal info, payment, or login credentials, pause and think. A few extra seconds could save you from serious cyber mess. If this episode helped, give it a like, hit subscribe, and drop a comment. If you've seen a shady QR code out in the wild, drop it in the comments. Let me know about it. Maybe you've got a picture. I don't know if you can put pictures into YouTube, but let me know. And if you know of a topic that you want me to cover, drop that in the comments as well. Don't forget to follow us on our socials, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, or X. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
You can catch new episodes every Thursday. Follow us on YouTube at ArcherU. Like, subscribe, and click the bell notification to be notified when a new episode has been released. Is there a question or a topic you'd like Mark to address on an upcoming episode of Cybersecurity 101? Leave them in the comments below and check back in every Thursday for a brand new episode.